Alright, here's the video. As you can see, this is just surface rust. There's no rust through at all. I cut all the insulation away, the seals away from the corners, so you can see how clean the corners are. T-top off of a 86, whatever this is, Pontiac Grand Prix. I'm gonna go over here some so you can see it. Same thing on this side. Clean corners. There you go. There you go. As you guys know, this is what usually rots out on the car. This is called the header panel. Right here in the corners is where it rots out. This one is great shape.